I'm calling this protector of the heart, love that endures.
Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's Not Just Paint, it's Art by Donna. And today I have a collaboration with Lightwish. And this is for their colored UV resin. And it's high translucent, and it's an 8-color set. And the colors are aqua blue, sky blue, dark blue, deep red, orange red, pink, yellow, and green. So it has a nice array of colors here, and I thought it would be nice to put them in these little hearts here
and create something unique and very special. So let's get on with it. When I first created Paw Print on my heart, it was a deeply personal tribute to my beloved Spot, my loyal companion who left an indelible mark on my life. That piece captured the essence of unconditional love and cherished memories, forever held within the shape of a heart. The paw print was a symbol of a connection, a reminder of a bond that transcended the words and time. But love is not confined to a single form. It evolves and expands, touching every relationship we hold dear. This realization inspired the creation of Protector of the Heart, a piece that speaks to the universal experience of love and the instinct to protect it. At its core, this piece represents the layers of love we build in our lives, each one more precious and meaningful than the last. This design encases a heart within a heart. The inner heart symbolizes the purest essence of love, those moments and connections that reside closest to our souls. Whether it's the love of a spouse, the joy of a child's laughter, the comfort of a dear friend's embrace, or the memory of someone we've lost. This inner heart holds it all. It's a sanctuary for the feelings that define who we are. The outer heart acts as a guardian, a shield that protects those precious emotions from the trials of the outside world. It symbolizes resilience, strength, and the unyielding commitment to safeguard what matters most. This protector reminds us that love is not only to be cherished, but also defended, nurtured, and celebrated. This piece is more than an artistic expression. It's a story of enduring connection. It speaks to the relationships that shape our lives, offering comfort and a reminder of what truly matters. Perhaps it's the hand you hold as you face life's challenges, the voice that soothes you in the moments of doubt, or the memory that brings warmth to your heart when the days feel cold. The protector of the heart is for anyone who carries love in its many forms, be it for a spouse, a child, a friend, or even a cherished pet. Together, Paw Print on my heart and the protector of the heart create a continuum of love, one rooted in memory and the other in its enduring protection. The first piece captured in a singular moment in time, while the second celebrates love's ongoing journey. They remind us that while life may change, love remains, growing stronger as we weave it in its way into the fabric of our existence. To wear or display this piece is to carry a message that love is a force worth treasuring and protecting. It is a silent promise to honor the people and connections that give life its meaning, a testament to the beauty of a heart that holds love and a guardian that ensures it stays safe. Okay, here we go. Put this up closer here so you can see. We're going to go right into here. And I think I'm going to pour some of this in first. I melted that, putting in. Okay. So what does yellow represent? In the positive, yellow is associated with happiness and humor, optimism, energy, and joy. And in the negative, it could mean a warning. It can symbolize caution, and in certain shades, they tell me it irritates people. For me personally, I love the color yellow. For some reason, it has grown on me so much this year. The oldest yellow on record was used in a prehistoric cave painting in France, and it's estimated to be 17,300 years old. Can you imagine that? Some believe that yellow represents the mind and the intellect, and some believe that yellow represents the third chakra in our solar plexus. Yellow can mean memory, hope, happiness, and enlightenment. Yellow is highly visible from a great distance at high speeds, and many countries use it on their emergency vehicles. Some people believe that yellow represents peace. Like that, it's kind of like it's flying in the clouds. Can you see that? I use that little bit of this little piggy with this one and a lemon sorbet. So I tested that one out. And now I'm going to go along.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes are drawn to southern skies. And all the while I was trying to pretend. The promised land was there beyond the great divide. But I'll be coming home soon. Yeah, I'll be coming home soon. So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be
I am demolding my heart inside a heart. And next, you're going to see the final result of beautiful keychains and necklaces. I think you're going to love it. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me today. I had so much fun working on these colorful pieces. Thank you again, Lightwish, for sending me this beautiful UV colored translucent resin. Each piece carries its own unique meaning, and I love how each color can tell a story. The yellow, the green, and the red keychains symbolize energy, growth, and passion, while the dark blue, aqua blue, and sky blue pendants represent deep tranquility and hope. Maybe you can help me decide with the pink and the orange. I would love to have your input on that. If you have made it this far in this video and have not subscribed yet, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you come back and visit me again if you've enjoyed this video. If you haven't made a friend yet, make a friend today. Say hello to your neighbor. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. I Shoot Crafty Kids Club is next.